This episode was made possible through the continuing support of Scott Savage and viewers just like you. Check out the links in the description and see how you can come hang out online with our team. There's tons of ways that you can get involved, learn and do cool things, solve problems, and help us make videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.
Hey there guys, and welcome back to the plant. We're out here at Site 3 today, and this is what I'm greeted with. So, I have a template. I gotta make a gasket. You can almost see what I gotta make a gasket for if you look down there. See that ring? I gotta make a gasket for that because the old one is shit. And they tore it to hell getting it apart. That's alright, it's 100 years old anyway. So this is my laser cut plywood template because the gasket is rotationally symmetrical. It's 8 of these holes all the way around a circle. And I got a pretty good idea on the diameter, but I'm not 100%. And it's the location of that hole. It's an oil hole. And I gotta have this dead on right. Like, I can't fuck this up. Because just the material, like, I mean, you gotta make a gasket that's that big around. The material's expensive, so it's not like I got spares to work with. And if I fuck it up, well, it's the nose cone of the turbine. So if that leaks, we have to we gotta do all this bullshit again to fix it. So I'm not gonna be the guy that fucks up the gasket. So I got my template, but I gotta test my template. That means I gotta go in there, and I don't wanna go in there. I don't like that because I don't know if you've seen this Mickey Mouse bullshit, but we got, like, there's rigging and jigging and bullshit, and I gotta go down in a scary place. Honest to God, I would rather go down in that room, you know, over there, back down to death with the water where I can't swim, than go under the fucking turbine of Damocles. I do not like this, not happy. So, if I die today, well, I hope you get the shot. For now, though, let's just fucking do it. So, I'll get my ass in the hole. I don't know how I'm gonna do it and shoot video, but if I focus on shooting the video, maybe then I won't focus on the imminence of my fucking demise. This is not fun. I need that. This is not okay. I'm not liking this. Alright. I got nowhere I can set the camera, so you guys just sit tight. I'll be back. Oh, shit! Oh yeah, that's not terrifying at all. I gotta get you a shot of this because you're never gonna get to see it again. And if I've gotta be down here, you can come with me. Alright, so here we are. That's the turbine and everything. And let's get our thing on the spot. Oh, fuck, it lines up great. Alright, where's the oil hole? Where's the oil hole? Oh shit, it's way over there. Okay. So the oil hole's over there. Look at that. It's fucking upside down. Let's try that again. Does it fit? Is it good? Alright. Holy Jesus, it's fucking terrifying. Alright. Can you see it from above? It's good. It's good enough for me. It's good enough for fucking science. This shit moves. And that's not okay. That's fucking terrifying. I don't like this part of the job. I can deal with the heights, I can deal with the water, I can deal with the fucking spiders, but man, that is goddamn terrifying when that whole fucking thing starts swinging. Whew. I am very happy to not be in that fucking hole again. That's, yeah, that's good. Oh shit, that's pucker factor. Alright, I got it. I went in there, I got Went all the way under that fucking thing. My template is good. Everything lines up all right. I gotta get pictures. Shit! I gotta get fucking I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm doing it again. Because I gotta get pictures. I gotta put this in place and take pictures above it with my fucking okay, so gloves off. We're doing it again. Doing it again. Alright, I got my light on my hat because my phone sucks in the dark. Let's do this again. Let's go right on in there. This sucks. This fucking sucks. Oh, millbilly bullshit in the dark. Climbing a ladder, carrying two different things. Don't bump the big fucking thing because you said it's swinging and it moves and there's nowhere to step because we're on a work platform down here. Alright, let's look at that. Points that way. Alright, we're going to set the camera right here. I got light so I can see just how fucked I am. Set that there. Set that on it. Alright. If this thing could quit moving, my asshole would pucker a little bit less. Should be pretty cool. Alright. Now let's get pictures. This isn't terrifying at all. Alright. Yeah, it's not 100%. It's pretty close. It's probably close enough to cut the gasket. Oh, I hate this job. I fucking hate this job. I don't mind confined spaces. I can live with the water. But holy shit, I do not like big, scary, heavy swinging shit over my fucking head. Alright, I got the shots, I got the measurements, I got the comparison. I got the fuck out is what I got. Oh, I should remember my light. Alright. I'm sorry if you didn't get to see much. Here's what it looks like. That's the part. There's your video. Okay. Turn my light off, put my light in my hat. Got my camera. Grab as high a rung as I can reach. Come up the ladder out of the shit show. Set down my thing. Set down my camera. There you go. Yeah. Oh, I want to go home. Fuck this shit. Alright, we lived. Fuck this shit. Let's never do that again. I got my measurements though. You guys have fun. I'll see you next time.